The job market right now is like dating someone who says, let's see where this goes. No commitment, mixed signals, and somehow it's your fault. You did everything right. Degree, skills, experience. So why do careers feel more fragile than ever? WTF is happening to careers. This is a sequel. This isn't chaos, it's a sequel. In the 1950s to 1970s, one job could last a lifetime. Pensions, raises, clear ladders. Then came the 1980s. Companies learned a new religion, shareholder value. Layoffs became strategy, not failure. From 1980 to 2000, CEO pay rose over 900%. Worker pay? About 12%. Careers stopped being ladders. They became treadmills. The data, the villain. Here's the villain. Numbers. The average worker now changes jobs every 3.9 years. In 1980, 7 to 10 years. College costs are up 1,200% since 1980. Wages? Up about 80%. Student loan debt is $1.7 trillion, yet 40% of graduates work jobs that don't require a degree. And now, AI. Over 300 million jobs globally are exposed to automation. White collar, not factory floors. This time, the robots aren't coming for muscles. They're coming for Excel, the present day, the Magnificent Seven moment. Look at where the money goes. The top 7 tech companies capture most of the profits, most of the growth, and most of the leverage. Meanwhile, everyone else fights over contracts, freelance, gig work, opportunities. Careers didn't disappear, they fragmented. One income stream became 3. Stability turned into optionality. This is why it feels confusing, because no one gave you the new rulebook. The takeaway: gray area wisdom. So no, careers aren't dead, but the idea of loyalty guaranteeing safety, that died quietly years ago. The future isn't hopeless, it's just uneven. The winners won't be the smartest or the hardest working. They'll be the most adaptable. Build skills that stack. Protect your downside. Think like an investor in your own career, because in this economy, your job isn't an asset, you are.